Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Kiyum. Yep, I'm using all my leftovers from last night and I'm going to make this yummy breakfast for the guys. The ground meat was already flavored from last night, whatever I added to make the hamburgers. So it's very flavorful meat. Just make patties and let them fry on a cast iron or whatever non-stick skillet you use. Fry an egg, throw in some onions and make a yummy breakfast for lunch. There you go. And also this way I could very quickly get rid of all my leftovers. The buns, I want to finish them. I don't want to get them stale, and because जब बासी हो जाते हैं उनका taste और smell खराब हो जाती है. So all I have to do is to throw in an egg, use the buns and use the keema to make the chapli kebabs, and throw in some onions, and we're ready to go. Just press it.